Good morning. Welcome back to the Umzimkulu Marina. We are hard at work underwater with our new GoFish cameras. And here are a couple of red hot action scenes from underwater with kingfish and the Greenspot Kingfish in the Umzimkulu from this week. Enjoy. Let's call this number 1. And number 2 and number 3 come thick and fast. Here they are in slow-mo. Don't miss a frame. Bang. Spits it out. Regroup. Bang. Spits it out. Okay, back to normal speed, and they certainly have started to learn about this little white lure that I use all the time. And they didn't hit it again, but they followed it and menaced it and presented themselves to the camera so beautifully. How's that for aggressive, eh? Yeah, but they didn't take it again. A is the mouth, right in the mouth area. Those green spots were so aggressive and quick. They actually fought over it. So that was number 4. So number 1, 2, 3, and 4, they know about this lure. They're learning. They're still attracted to it, but they don't actually just gulp it down. They seem to like hit it and let it go, hit it and let it go. It's performing beautifully, by the way, in the clean water like that. But I'm going to change, put the hook further back, and I'm going to make a different color so we can see if we can fool those guys into attacking more wholeheartedly. Note the blue water. Okay, I put the spoon on, but I blew it because it picked up some seaweed, and here the same kingfish again. But they're not going to chow a ball of seaweed. But yes, success in filming shoals of greenspot kingfish in the Umzimkulu water. Check how blue it is. There's a blue-tailed mullet at the top. Oh, damn it, the logo got it. But here's a perch at the bottom by the GoFish logo. Woohoo! But okay, a whole lot more to follow. Fishing school is on, and the cameras are rolling all the time. So check back soon. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this with your mates. And come fishing sometime.